Hey Curly, it's Nikki from Team Curlee Girlee, and today I'm going to show you how to draw everyone's favorite Curlee Girlee. So to begin, you're just going to need a piece of paper and your favorite drawing utensil. I'm just using a marker, but you can use a pencil, a crayon, really anything you want. So we're first going to begin with Curlee Girlee's eye. Draw just a simple half circle like that. And then for our eyelashes, we're going to go up, up, and up. Now for her eye, we're going to go back to the corner of the eye, and we're going to make a small circle, just like this. And then within this circle, we're going to draw an even smaller circle. And from there, we're going to draw an oval, and we can just color that right in. Okay, now just a little bit above her eye, we're going to draw a curve like that for her eyelid. And a little bit above that, we're going to draw a small curve, and then another curve, just like that. Now go back to the top, and we're going to follow that curve to create her eyebrow. Now, go about an eye's width apart, and we're going to start on her other eye. So just like the same, we're going to do a half circle and her eyelashes, just up and down. Now we're going to go back, and we're going to draw in the rest of her eye. So draw half a circle, just like that. Now go in again, and we're going to draw a small circle. And from that again, we're going to draw an oval and color that right in. Now just a little bit above her eye, we're going to draw another curve for her eyelid. And we're not going to draw her eyebrow right now because her hair is going to cover part of it, so we will come back to that later. Now onto her nose, we're going to draw a small curve right here for the bridge of her nose. Now we're going to go in and draw one little slit and then another little slit for her nose. So onto her mouth, we're going to draw a happy smile, curve just like that. We can go back in and give her a little bit of a lip, like that. And now the rest of her full lip, we're going to go back to the corner. We're going to bring it up and then down. Right in the middle, you're going to make that V shape and then bring it back down. Now, Curlee Girlee's smiling big, so we're going to give her a big smile like this with her teeth. So just cut that little space in half. And then for her bottom lip, we're going to go back to the corner. We're going to bring it down and then back up. Okay, now everyone knows Curlee Girlee wouldn't be Curlee Girlee without her hair, so we're going to work on that. So go up a little bit to about here, right in the middle of her face. And the good thing about curly hair is that it's super fun to draw because there's really not a wrong way to do it. So we're going to start here. We're going to go out a little, then curve in and out, all the way down to here. And now we're going to go back up, and we're just going to follow that first curve. Go in and out, in and out. You can make it bigger, smaller, really. And we're going to end it with a little curve like that. Now we're going to go back to the other side. And we're going to do the same thing the opposite. We're going to bring it out this way, then in, out, and in. Give it a little curl. And then go back and follow it again. Just like so. So go up just a little bit, and we're going to do the top of her head. So right here, we're going to give it a big curve for her big curls. Just go in and out. you can kind of do whatever you want. There's no there's no wrong way to really draw curls. So just do it however you want. And then we're going to go back. I'm going to do another big curve and another one. All the way down. You can kind of curve it like that if you want. Now, the fun part, we get to fill in this space with the rest of our curls. So for each one, we're just going to go back to the middle. I'm going to bring it out and then just kind of curl it down. And some curls are going to overlap others, so it's okay to stop. We can just continue here. Okay, so now that her hair is done, we're going to go back and draw in her other eyebrow. So just curve it down, and then a little bit down. I'm going to curve that one down as well, like that. Now we'll go on to the rest of her face. So we're just going to start up here, and we're going to draw a big curve around. Give it a little bit of an upward draw right there for her chin. And then keep on going. We can start over here for her cheek. Make it go in a little and then back out. So for her neck, we're going to start right here. We're going to bring it down and then curve it out like that. And on this side, Curlee Girlee has a bow on her sleeve. So we're going to go in and we're going to draw an oval here and then a little gumdrop shape for the rest of the bow. We can give her little wrinkles on her bow right like that. And do the other side like that. Now we're going to continue the shoulder by just giving her a little bit of a curve there. Now we're going on to the other side. And again, bring it down a little and then curve it out. And then for her other shoulder, again, just curve it out. Now onto her dress or her shirt. We're going to start by the bow and give it kind of a curved U shape. Bring it up there. And then we're going to continue the sleeve and we're going to bring it down with a little bit of a curve. And then on the other side, the same thing. Just curve it on down like that. Now Curlee Girlee has some flowers on her dress. And you can draw whatever you want, but I'm going to go with the flowers because they're so fun to draw. Start with a circle, and then just do 5 little petals like that. 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, and there you have it. That's how you draw Curlee Girlee. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, and we would love to see your drawings, so feel free to submit them to curleegirlee.com. Thanks, bye!